everyone, welcome back to another video from the Winter Forest. Today let's continue our LeetCode challenge. Today's question is called a Hamming distance. And the first paragraph said it is a definition about Hamming distance. So the Hamming distance is between two integers, is the number of positions at which the corresponding bytes are different. And so you will receive x and y. We're going to calculate the bits. If the bits is different, we're going to add 1. So for this question, we could use bit operate. So how do we going to do? I just quickly draw a diagram in here. You will receive x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. X in the Java, so it is 32-bit represent a digit, but we only need to calculate once they are not 0. So, and for the y, they have some 0, we won't going to calculate. Once this is shifted, it will be 0. And now we're going to have a 4. And we're going to counting this Hamming distance. For here, it's different. For here, also different. So we're going to have while loop. The first one, we're going to have compare this one. So when x and y is not equal to 0, we're going to compare just x or y if they are different. So if they are 1, how do I prove that 1 is 1 and 1 will be 1? So if they are not equal to 0, that means that definitely is 1. If it is 1, then the Hamming distance we define a variable called this. Then we could add the this plus plus. Once we compare this finish, then we're going to shift 1. This also shift 1. So we do x shift and y shift. So this will become 0. But this one will become 0, 0, 1, 0. Then we continue looping. The second time coming in, we're going to add. Then the third time coming in, the distance, this then will be added. In this time, it will be, everybody be 0. So we're going to finish the loop, return this distance. Now if we write the code, it will straight away make sense. Also in the Hamming distance, in Wikipedia, they have a document explain how to do it. Even have the pseudocode. In here, in the first one, they tell you how to do Hamming distance between string. This is in Python. In here, it is, if it is numbers, so in Python probably, this is Python language, so it's unsigned number x and y. So what we are going to do, they do while loop, we just do for loop. They do for loop, we're going to write a while loop. And the code itself is very simple. So we're going to define, we expect an integer out, so we have the distance. By default, it is 0. Then we're going to have a while loop, compare x greater than 0, or y greater than 0. Either one of them didn't become 0, we're going to keep adding. So we compare x or y if x or y are different, then definitely will be 1. If we have and 1, then still will be 1. If this one it is not equal to 0, then the distance need to add 1. Means they are different. Once finished, we need a shift x. Also need a shift y. Once looping finished, then we just simply return our distance. Let's run the test. Here it's done. So we're going to submit it. the accepted. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.